Alright, here's part 2. We're on the search for fun, puppety type things. Let's see here, or just something fun. There's an odd looking cat there. Okay, what do we got in here? We got some kids' shoes there. Got some balls there. Alright, let's see, what do we got? There's a porpoise. Let's call it a porpoise. There's a Snoopy chalk. Alright, what do we have here? This is some sort of little bug house there. Some sort of outdoor ball stuff. Let's see, what do we got here? Oh, there's some good stuff in here. Is there a snowman? Can we build a snowman? I think it's this one. Let's see, any Scooby-Doo? No Scooby-Doo. Alright, so we got some dolls in this one. Baby stuff. Okay, what do we got? Oh, we got poo in this bag. All sorts of poo in that bag. And no, that could be a puppet. It's one of those weird ones. Oh, it is a puppet. Look at that. So it's like a ladybug and another ladybug, and I guess you just put your hand in there, and how much is this? It's always $3.99 when it's something I'm interested in. I don't know that I'm that interested. I think I'm going to pass. That one's a pass. Some dolls. Let's see. Curious George books. Spider-Man masks. Some modeling balloons. I could make some popping things because it's probably old. Alright. I don't know what that is. Something weird. Some kids' toys there, like baby stuff. Okay. Let's see, we've got all sorts of friendship bracelet maker and all that. Okay. Looks like some sort of bag of army men. That's kind of cool. Let's see if there are any. No Hot Wheels there. Some dolls here. I know some of my doll friends are probably screaming at the monitor right now saying, buy these. But I know nothing about them. Okay. So what do you got? The worm from Alice in Wonderland. These are awesome. These, try and get the ball in the cup. It's a ball in a cup. That's it. Ball in a cup. All right. Let's see what else we've got. Space mask. Really gadgety stuff there. Let's see. There's some little kids' toys. Some girls' type of makeup-y things. Well, there's an interesting dog there. I don't know. $1.99. There's a puppet there afterwards. See, is his mouth moving enough? That might happen. Okay, let's put him over here. And no. Let's see, what do we have here? Some puzzles. Sand toys. Little toys here. Okay, some baby dolls. Coloring pens, doodahs and such. Let's see, some more outdoor stuff. Oh, there's some Legos in that one. Whole bag of Legos. Let's see what this one's going for. That might be fun. $3.99. Yeah, of course. Okay, what do we got here? Let's see here. That's some weird animal there. That puzzle in there. Got some bean bags in here. Looks like nothing puppety yet. Let's see what we got here. A little phone, little kid's phone, and some other electronic toy. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so we've got some Romeo and Juliet figures here. There's 3 of them. Let's see. Yeah, $1.94. I don't need that because I'm not really collecting Romeo and Juliet, nor am I collecting at the moment. There's a Smurfette. $3.99. I don't need that. Let's see. We got baby doll stuff here. Turtle. Some kids puzzles. Something you get at a birthday party. Some balls. Some more electronic stuff. Some crafts. I'm gonna pass on the crafts. I've got a big bag of something now. Let's see, what do we got here now? No. I think we're gonna be limited on this one. Let's see, this has got, it's like a transformer and all sorts of little goodies there. So hang tight.